Hello everyone, my name is Mary Hamilton and I am here today to talk about my livestock operating system. My livestock operating system is a 2-acre pasture-based closed-loop dairy farm located in Tennessee that uses Holstein cows to produce all-natural dairy products. A pasture-based system is an agricultural practice where our cows harvest their own feed from grazing on grasslands on our dairy farm. The closed-loop system I use creates a sustainable operation that mirrors the cow's natural ecosystem by recycling nutrients, reducing waste and dependence on external inputs, and improving soil health and biodiversity, all with the goal of producing all-natural dairy products for our consumers. Compared to conventional or traditional dairy farms, I use sustainable practices that promote a healthy ecosystem for the animals, the people, and the environment. To make my dairy farm more sustainable, I use different methods like recycling manure as fertilizer, using on-farm water conservation, and monitoring the performance of my system. To implement the use of manure as fertilizer, it costs 1 to 2 cents per gallon, and you have the potential of saving $50 or more per acre. Using manure as fertilizer is more sustainable than purchasing synthetic fertilizer because it reduces the reliance of fossil fuels, minimizes chemical runoff, and repurposes waste. Installing a rainwater harvesting system for on-farm water conservation typically costs between $750 and $1,000. This system captures and stores rainwater, allowing it to be reused for various farm operations, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Monitoring the performance of my system can cost between $75 to $150 for wearable systems that monitor the cow's health, nutrition, and location. I would greatly appreciate your investment in my livestock operating system, which is designed to produce all-natural dairy products for consumers through sustainable and environmentally responsible practices. The purpose of a pasture-based closed-loop dairy farming system is to create a sustainable operation that recycles resources and minimizes waste, and reduces the use of external inputs like chemical fertilizers. Using the recommendations mentioned before, I have created a system that improves the health of the ecosystem, recycles resources on the pasture land, and provides a more natural and healthier environment for my cows, all while producing all-natural dairy products to my consumers. I appreciate your consideration of an investment in my dairy farm operation. Thank you.